My name's Scott Clarkson, so I've been on the academy and in property since November last year, so about 9 months now. About 9 months really.
How's that journey been?
Yeah, it's been good. I've got a couple of service accommodation units in Manchester. Obviously getting them set up and everything. It's been fun, it's been enjoyable.
And how did you learn to do that?
Just on the academy basically, mentorship, just learning from other people as well, the networking. I think that's probably the most underrated aspect of the academy is the networking. Everyone thinks it's the online materials. It's not, it's the networking, it's the mentorship, it's the support and coaching that you get. So pretty much that really.
And did you expect that when you joined, or is it?
I expected it because it was advertised. I didn't expect the level of, obviously I understood, you know, you can book mentor calls and stuff. The level of accountability that you're held to as well with your monthly calls and everything and your coaching, much more than I expected. So I expected to have some, but just the level of it was a lot higher than I anticipated.
Nice. And what would you say to somebody who's like looking to get involved into?
Just start and ask questions. If you've got a question, ask it. You'll find the answer. If you don't have any questions, then you're not looking hard enough. But I would say just do it. Just find out and just start at a crash course. Just come to a crash course. It's it's not a big investment. You don't have to do anything major, and then just get the support in place, 100%. But leverage networking and ask as many questions as possible, really.